Hey, what's up guys? So if you're looking for a little window cleaner, just have a little stick. It has different rags that you can buy for right here. Very good to clean the window front shield. So comes with a nice little pad. It's a flat panel. You wrap it up. Now when you decide to clean your window, you know how sometimes it's hard to get to the bottom, this will help. So no issue whatsoever. They do sell more micro rags. Good thing about it, I'm in the passenger side and I can get into the driver's side with no issue. Very nice. Awesome.